Hey guys, so I would have done a normal video, but we're gonna do a giveaway, so no trust, cause I don't want to trust. Do we decline? That's the question. Because yesterday I got scammed out of my nurse because someone said, trade me, and then she gave me stuff back but didn't give my nurse. I've got an idea. I can't do pink short. Thank God for that. Nah. Let's trade rare scary bat wings. Wait, no. We'll find some. Let's do this. So, because I want to get rid of some items. Literally me. Legit me. Also, I've got a new buddy, new Gemma, and I'm one away from 100 followers on Instagram. Wait. I don't even know what she's giving away. Sorry if you can hear a fan in the background. I want to try again. Remember, if she is, let's decline it. I can't hit you, yeah. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, what do I not need? I don't need... So, 40 so far. Well, I've got 2 pink. Well, I need to get rid of some stuff like, for example, I don't want that. Because... Oh yeah. So 140 points in the lead. Woo-hoo. Also, I've got a new friend. Where is she? Oh yeah, I forgot she's waiting for it. I said no twice. Oh my god, I can't spell today. Also, I will show my dad. Don't know what I just did then, but yeah. He won. I didn't want them boots anyway. Swear to God, if she scams them. I don't really care, to be honest, because I didn't want them, but... See? She gave them back. Woo shakalaka boom. Also, if you follow me on Instagram, lbaby2004, then we can have photos and everything. So who is okay, what? Who we with? Okay. Oh, I just hit the mic. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry. I got dust on it for some reason. This is gonna be a long video. I've only got 15 minutes. Ooh. I'm not accepting. If more than 1,000 points. Well, I'll trade 2 items that I hate. Okay. Don't want them. I didn't want them items. them items XP. Necklace is on trade. I have never scammed before. Well, I've been scammed plenty of times. Oh my god. Yay, I got my items back. 1,240 points. Okay. Who is winning and what do we... Oh, that's understandable, like horrible. Put some up. Okay, you will see on screen. Sounds a bit like shooting me. Okay. More than 2. Let me put. Okay, we'll put in my really bad items that I don't want to be traded. Because I don't like these. I didn't want them. I traded my worst items. On trade. Right, I'm doing an art competition on my Instagram. Guys, I'm gonna pause it here, so we are so screwed. I will literally put in the description how it went. So, that's the end of this video. Bye!